It's just a pencil, they said. How much could you possibly love a pencil? Well, a lot, my friends, a lot. And you'll probably love it too once I tell you all about it. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be looking at a true icon of the stationery world, the ROtring 600 mechanical pencil. Whether you're an architect, artist, engineer, or just a pencil enthusiast, you've probably heard the name. But does it live up to the hype? I really wanted to find out. So, let's go. Let's start with the basics. The ROtring 600 is a mechanical pencil that's all about precision and durability. It features a full metal body and a hexagonal barrel, and that signature red ring near the clip. The model I have here is the 0.7 millimeter in striking red, but it also comes in other colors and sizes like 0.5 millimeter and 0.35 millimeter. So, what features of this pencil make it a compelling purchase? And as a pencil that you can probably and frankly, perhaps a bit morbidly outlive you. First, the brass mechanism inside allows for ultra-precise lead advancement. Second, the fixed lead guidance sleeve allows for perfect ruler work and prevents lead breakage. This pencil is very nice to hold. It feels great in the hand, and the ergonomic shape and non-slip knurled metal grip down here ensures minimal slips while you're using it. It also features a lead hardness grade indicator for quick reference. And of course, the barrel or the body of the pencil will stop it from rolling off your desk, something that Apple realized with the second version of their Apple Pencil for the iPad. All right, let's look a bit deeper into each of these features. When you pick up the ROtring 600, the first thing you notice is the weight. At about 22 grams, it feels substantially much heavier than most plastic mechanical pencils. That weight gives it a premium, well-balanced feel, especially for sketching, drafting, or long writing sessions. As I said before, the hexagonal barrel isn't just for looks. It keeps the pencil from rolling away, which is a lifesaver on busy desks or drafting tables. The knurled metal grip here is a fan favorite. It's secure and comfortable, letting you write or draw for extended periods without your fingers slipping or getting sore. Unlike some pencils with overly aggressive knurling, the ROtring 600 strikes a great balance. It's firm but not abrasive to the touch. I wish some other mechanical pencil manufacturers would understand this. Metal knurling is an art, and many fail to use it properly. The lead advancement mechanism is made of brass, giving you a crisp, satisfying click every time. It's smooth and reliable, and users and other reviewers consistently praise how durable it is, even after years of use. While I've only had this pencil for a few weeks, I'm willing to believe those claims of lengthy durability. I've seen nothing that would suggest otherwise. As you can see, the built-in eraser that is hidden behind this end cap is very effective and a pleasure to use. I'll miss it when it's finally gone, and I actually don't know how easy it is to replace it. The lead hardness indicator, another thoughtful feature, allows you to just twist the ring to mark what lead you're using, HB, 2B, H, and so on. It's a small detail, but if you switch leads often, it's super handy. Let's have a look at how it writes and sketches on a few different kinds of papers and paperweights. One of the things I noticed is that the rigidity of the tip is excellent. The lead does not rotate independently of the pencil's body, which is a flaw that is found in many other mechanical pencils, but definitely not in this one. Okay, let's break down some of the pros and cons. Based on my experience and what other users across the web are saying, here are the pros. It has an iconic industrial design that looks and feels really premium. Excellent build quality. This is probably a pencil that can last decades if treated well. Its precise and reliable lead advancement mechanism is top notch. It's also comfortable and has a nice non-slip grip for drawing and note taking. And finally, it doesn't roll off your desk thanks to the barrel. As for cons, well, the weight might be a bit too much for long writing sessions. This pencil's probably better for sketching or drafting. The tip is a bit fragile if you drop it. There's a good chance that it might bend, and replacements aren't cheap. The eraser is tiny and not very practical for anything beyond small corrections, I would say. And finally, the price is definitely on the higher side, but you're paying for quality, so that's totally fine for some people. So, who is this pencil for? Well, if you want a mechanical pencil that's built to last, feels amazing in the hand, and delivers precision for drawing, drafting, or technical work, this is a top tier choice. If you write all day and prefer something lighter, you might want to look elsewhere, or just keep this as your special occasion pencil. Okay, that's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the best tools for your creative workflows. Have you used this pencil before? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.